story down here to be told. So come on in and point your device to that little black box.
Oh, I got it.
They do.
Story about these folks along the hill.
Talking about these people. Oh, there goes Jasmine.
I need to do.
What's up, everybody? April 18, 2024. Back at it again with another museum. This time we're at the Arch Museum here in Kearney, Nebraska. Look at, we're about to go into the wagon. And look, they gave us these listening devices. Wow. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Let's show number 3. Alright, to get in the Archway, it cost me $12, and that's with military discount, and the kids cost $7 each. Do you see any buffalo? There's a lot of buffalo. Look at it, someone died.
Hey, you want some ketchup?
Let's see who's speeding. Yeah, that's how fast they're going. This is where you return the audio.
Push it. Go.
Well, we had a great time at the Archway, and now we're headed back to the van and seeing what the losers, Mommy and Josh here are doing, right?
Yeah.
Oh, losers. Check it out. We just made it to our home for the night. We're staying at Fort Kearney Recreational Area. We're staying at site number 87. And let me show you guys around. All right, first off, you got the power. 50 amp, 30 amp, and 20 amp. Then over here, you got the picnic table and fire pit. And then over this way, we have a dock. And right across from our spot, we have some restrooms. Welcome to the men's restroom. Yeah. Looks like you got a vault toilet and you just pee in the wall and then it just goes down here to the vault toilet. I hope you guys enjoy your tour. Come take a dump with us anytime. We're almost over our cold, so I'm gonna wrap it up early again tonight and hopefully tomorrow we'll all be 100%.
Let's claim it. I just...